Hi, hello.
Hello,
What's your name?
my name is Mary.
Okay, Mary, how old are you?
I'm 11 years old.
11 years old. Very good. How are you today, Mary?
I'm wonderful.
Wonderful. Very good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vũng Tàu City.
Vũng Tàu City. How is Vũng Tàu City? Is it beautiful?
Yes,
How?
it is beautiful
It's
and clean.
beautiful. And clean. Very good job. What animal do you like, Mary?
I like dogs.
Why do you like dogs?
Hmm, because they are very cute and big, fast.
Uh-huh. Because they're very cute, big, and very fast, right? And what color do you like, Mary?
Hmm, I like green.
Green. Very good. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I usually reading the book and
Uh-huh.
listen to music.
In your free time, you read book and listen to music. Very good job. Can you tell me how many people are there in your family?
There are four people in my family. My
All right.
mom, my
The
dad, my
mom,
sister,
dad,
and
sister,
me.
and you. Very good job. Who do you like? Who do you love the most in your family?
I
Who do you
love
love
my
the most?
mom. I love
Uh-huh.
my mom the most.
You love your mom the most. Very good. And how many rooms are there in your house, Mary?
There are five rooms in my house. Living room,
There. All right. Living room,
two bedrooms,
two bedrooms,
kitchen,
kitchen,
and bathroom.
bathroom. What do you do in your bedroom, Mary?
I study and sleep.
You study and sleep. Very good job. And what do you do in your living room?
I watch TV and reading the book.
You watch TV and read book. Very good job. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So now can you share with me what fruits do you like? Fruits like banana, apple,
Mm,
orange. So what fruits do you like?
I like blueberry.
You like blueberries. Very good job. Thank you very much. You did a very good job today, Mary. Thank you and goodbye. See you.
Thank you, teacher. Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.